Massive thank you to Eddie Wu, who's got a fantastic video on YouTube showing this. He's done it to high school students. I actually think you could boil it down and explain this to primary kids. I think it's a fantastic way to show kids how shape, measure, transformation, equations, multiplication, how these all come together in one and how they're all linked. So here's a right-angled triangle and all three sides are different lengths. So we could call this side A, that side B, and that side C. Now here are 4 more triangles which are all the same size as this one. Now, if I arrange them a little bit like this, you'll see that I can create a square. But there's also a square around the outside. And it stands to reason that the length of this would be B plus A, and the length of this side as well would be A plus B or B plus A. Which means that if we wanted to find the area of this square, it would be C times C, or C squared. Now let me just pop C squared over here for the moment. Now by manipulating these shapes, I can create 2 rectangles. Now I know that this is A and this is A, so the square in here must be A squared. And I know that this side is the same as that side, so it must be B, same as that side B, so that must be B squared. So it stands to reason that A squared and B squared put together has the same surface area as C squared. And I can actually show this. I've got B squared here, and then what I've done is I've made another A squared here, but I've chopped it all up. So you can see that A squared plus B squared does indeed equal C squared. So if we knew these 2 lengths, but not this one, we could use A squared plus B squared equals C squared to find this length. And I just wish somebody at high school would have explained it to me that way.